Hello, my name is Iram, and I'm gonna give you 5 things what people should do whilst in quarantine. Well, the first one is to watch Netflix. I think everyone has Netflix nowadays, so it's easy to do. And I'm gonna recommend you these two series. This one is called Dark, and the other one is The OA. Those are so tricky, so you have to be so focused and pay a lot of attention in each episode, but they are so interesting. The second one is to read a book. I already read these two books, and this is called Caesar Imperator. It's about her life and how he became an imperator, and the other one is a teenager's book, but it's so cool. It's about an asteroid that is about to hit the planet. They are cool. The other one is to do exercise at home. There are a lot of videos on YouTube, and they are easy to do, so it's good even for your health. The other one is reorganize your closet. I already did this last week, I think, and it took me the whole day, but at the end have a good result. And the last one, spend a good time with your family. I know, and at this moment, maybe some days it's hard to be in the same house with the whole family, but for example, in my family, we are trying to do a schedule. For example, one day is a game night, so other day is a cooking night, something like that. Is like every member of our family have to cook for us. I mean, for example, today I have to cook for my family. Next day, my sister have to cook for us. And yeah, we are trying to do this fun, and because we have to stay at home and trying to have fun. So yeah, those are my recommendations to do on this quarantine. Thank you.